Today on Garage Door Geeks, I'm showing you how to change the battery on the Chamberlain MC100-C Universal Mini Garage Door Remote, designed to replace or combine up to 2 garage door remotes into one small keychain unit. It also has a rubberized finish, which gives it a better grip and feel. For this battery change, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. First, turn the remote over and locate the small screws on the back. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove the screws. Make sure you place them somewhere safe so they don't get lost. Once the screws are removed, turn the remote back over. You should now be able to lift off the front casing. Be careful when opening it because the rubber button piece and the rubber cushion underneath can come loose. Remove the front button piece and the rubber cushion and remember how they sit inside the remote. Now you can lift out the main circuit board with the button compartment attached. Once the circuit board is out, slide the old battery out of its holder. The replacement battery for this remote is a CR2032. Slide the new battery into place, making sure it is sitting flat and centered. This is important because if the battery is not lined up properly, the rubber button pieces may not sit back in place correctly. Once the new battery is installed, start reassembling the remote the same way you took it apart. Place the rubber cushion back into position. Then place the top rubber button piece back over it. After that, line up the front casing and carefully close the remote. Flip it over and reinstall the screws. Do not over-tighten them, just make them snug. Once everything is back together, test the remote to make sure it works. And that's it. The battery on your Chamberlain MC100-C Universal Mini Garage Door Remote is now replaced.